Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. My goal is very simple: to create 10,000 millionaires. Today's topic is this: how do you become a millionaire in 24 months? How do you become a millionaire in 24 months? Or rather, how can you become a millionaire even in 1 year? So this is what I teach. I teach stock market. I also teach cryptocurrency. I teach people that they can make money in the cryptocurrency. I also teach people that they can make money in the stock market. Now, this is the formula. If you are making 1,000 shillings daily, times 365 days, you will become a millionaire in 3 years. But if you are making 2,000 shillings daily, then in 1 year you will have 730,000. But remember, as your money grows, then also your ability to make more capital, more profits grows. So if you are making 2,000 shillings daily, then it so happens that in 2 years, which is 24 months, you will have almost 1.4 million, 1.5 million. But since not every day is Sunday, there are some days that you will make losses. And so it goes that by the end of 2 years, you will have roughly 1 million. That's what I'm working on as an individual. That's what I'm working on as a person. And I expect you to do the same. If you don't understand cryptocurrency, if you don't understand the stock market, call me. My telephone number is 0720 969 361. I'll guide you, I'll teach you, I'll help you understand stock market, I'll help you understand cryptocurrency. You can also join my online classes. I have online classes where I teach stock market, I also teach cryptocurrency. The goal is very simple: to help us all save, to help us all invest, to help us all grow wealth, and to help us all become millionaires. By the way, becoming a millionaire is not very difficult. It is just one thing that you do: buying coins, selling coins, buying coins, selling coins, making profits, repeating that every day for 365 days. I'm doing that as an individual, and I'm working very hard to become a millionaire in 24 months. And I'm working very hard to become a multi-millionaire, 100 million shillings rich in 10 years time. We can all make it. We can all do it. You can do it. I am doing it. Call me. My number is 0720 969 361. I will come to your house. I will guide you. I will train you. I will help you become a millionaire in the stock market and the cryptocurrency. Otherwise, bye-bye. See you in the next video. And remember, if you are new here, subscribe. If you have a chama, call me. I will come to your chama and guide you. If you belong to a church, call me. I will come to your church and guide you. If you're working somewhere, call me. I will come to your company and guide you on stock market and cryptocurrency. If you belong to an investment club, call me. I will come to the investment club. I will guide you on stock market and cryptocurrency. Call me. My number is 0720 969 361. Peter Oluoch is my name. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. And remember to join our Telegram group. The name of the Telegram group is Stock Market Investing 101. Stock Market Investing 101. Thank you.